Problema kasi, si Jesucristo hindi nag-file ng Certificate of Candidacy. Wala, gusto mo talaga matino dyan, Jesucristo yan. Kung tao yan, pandor dito, pandor dito. Come to think of it, you know what? Even if they will touch on everything there in the charter, yun sa Constitution, I will not mind. But make it progressive. Huwag lang mag-benefit tayong kami. Hindi na ako. Yung nakaupo ngayon. Huwag mong habain yung bituka mo. Gusto mo na a longer term for the next president would be good for this country, or there will be no limitations at all for as long as he remains to be a loyal and a good public servant, wala man tayong problema lahat. Kung hindi naman santo, pero kung tao na matino na nakaupo dyan sa Malacanang, he can stay forever. Ang problema lang ganito, nag-iisip ako ng malalim. Problema kasi, si Jesucristo hindi nag-file ng Certificate of Candidacy. Wala, gusto mo talaga matino dyan, Jesucristo yan. Kung tao yan, pandor dito, pandor dito. The temptation to make money here and there. At may command. Yan ang bantayan ninyo sa inyong inihalal na mga officials.
Yes, good evening, sir. Gusto na lang ko sumunod na ako questions sa status sa posisyon na to. The status of posisyon na to before, when you said that Mindanao be separated from the Republic.
Vis-a-vis whether we are alam mo, sa totoo lang, for it all, declare lang yan. Sabihin ko lang kasi sa na look, you guys, when you think of legislation, we think of your work there as a secretary or as a senator or congressman or whatever. Think always of the Republic of the Philippines. Huwag ninyong pabor-paboran yan kasi hindi lang kayo ang Pilipino. Parang ano lang yung pitik lang yung reminder, gentle reminder na, shape up because hindi pa naman tayo magkatribo lahat. Yan nga ang problema Punta ka doon sa Ilocos, hindi ka maintindihan talaga kung taga-Bisaya ka. Kung taga-Bisaya ka, magpunta ka doon sa Pulo, hindi tayo magkaintindihan. Kung taga-Mindanao ka, magpunta ka Luzon, tulala ka palagi. Baluktot ang Tagalog mo o ang Bisaya ng Tagalog, mukhang Espanyol pakinggan. Tainga ko.
Another mayor, what do you make out of the goings on sa Senate hearing under sa committee ni Senator Ontiveros about kay Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, not only implicating him but also dragging along your name and the Vice President Sara?
Wala,
What do you make out of it?
anong sinabi niya?
Dragging, getting
involving
transactions involving firearms. So about to be able to also witness that that particular witness saw you and the Vice President bringing that back to the firearms from the passport.
Ako ang supplier ng firearm dito, hindi ako nanghihingi. Matagal na akong supplier ng firearm, bata pa ako.
Has the pastor reached out to you when the Senate hearing started, especially when witnesses starting to come out, alleging all these things against the pastor involving you and the Vice President? Let me jump to the same one, sir.
You know, there are always, we never run out of silly or idiots in government. Let them be. Komportable sila dyan. Komportable rin ako dito. Uy! Si mama pala ito.